Welcome to our Autopilot video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Autopilot to send an anniversary email to your customer. I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So we'd start here from the dashboard, and on the left side, we're going to go to Autopilots. Now, after clicking on Autopilots, you're going to click on the top right portion on this plus icon, and then we'll click on Create from Template. From the Create a Template, let's click on Happy Anniversary Email. Now, this is really cool because it's all built for you. And if you want to edit it, all you have to do is just edit it as you wish and as you'd like, and then click on Save Flight. So I'll just show you what each step does so you have an idea. For the start of this autopilot, you click on this. This just means that this will take place every weekly on a Monday at 3 p.m. If you want to initiate this at any other time, you can, but that is the default. Click on Submit once you're done. For the next condition, this is to show which customers have been with us for a year. So these are customers first seen greater than 365 days ago and first seen less than 358 days ago. And the number of orders must be at least one, so to get this anniversary email. So you click Submit once you're done with that. For the orders, these are for customers who have orders created greater than 10 years ago. So you can edit this as well as you'd like, make it less, make it more, and then just click on Submit. And for the last action, we'd be sending that promotional email out. So cheers to another year. Now, again, what's really cool about this is that you can edit this email as you'd like and personalize it as you'd like for your customers. For more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.